Okay, so these are the answers you should have gotten on the math review. So if you'll notice, both of those things are perfect squares. So since they're perfect squares, I can use difference of squares, which means I'll have one parenthesis that's going to have a plus, and then one parenthesis that's going to have a minus. Okay, then what I notice is the square root of 49 is 7, so 7x, and then the square root of 64 is 8. So those are my factors. And then for the solutions, you should have gotten x equals negative 8 over 7 and x equals 8 over 7. All right. On the next one, you're just graphing it. So remember, this is your starting point. Okay, so since that's your starting point, you should put a 3 on the y-axis. And then your slope is 2, so 2 over 1. So I'm going to rise 2 and go over 1. And then I'm just going to find a straight edge and connect my 2 points. Okay. On the next one, this is when you're graphing using the intercepts. So in this one, really the main idea is just make sure you cover each term. So for instance, if I cover 3y, notice how that says x equals 6. So on the x-axis, I'm going to put a point at 6. And then if I cover this up, notice how it says 3y equals 6. So if I divide by 3, that gives me y equals 2. So I put a point at 2. And again, find a straight edge and connect your points. All right, the next one is writing your linear equations. So a system. So this one says carpet she selected costs $2 per square foot. So carpet is $2. The vinyl floor covering costs $1, and she has $500 to spend. So there's all your money. So for that equation, I could do 2c plus 1v equals 500. Now the next part of the equation just talks about how much area it covers. So the total area it should cover is 300 square feet. So that means the carpet plus the vinyl should equal 300 square feet. So those are your two equations. So again, make sure you check those. So again, here was number 1, number 2, and then these are the last ones. All right, very good. Okay, so after this, you'll be completing the notes. I will do a video. Keep up. I'll try to go as slow as I can, but you do have people around the room. You can always ask for help, okay? All right,